What if I told you one simple habit changed my English more than memorizing hundreds of vocabulary words? I used to understand English, but when it was time to speak, I would freeze. I knew how to speak English, but they wouldn't come out naturally. Then I discovered one simple habit, that is shadowing. I After knowing shadowing what is shadowing, I I was practicing regularly, and I changed to something different in my pronunciation, speaking speed, and confidence. So in this video I will share with you what is shadowing, how to do it, and my shadowing routine, and the mistake most learners make while doing shadowing. So make sure to don't skip this video, because one simple mistake can ruin your shadowing practice completely. So friend, here I want to inform you, मैंने वन ऑन वन सेशन कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट किए हैं, जहाँ जहाँ हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन, common mistakes and basic grammar. So if you are interested in, then you can DM me on Instagram. Link मैं description में डाल दूँगी. So coming to the point. So first of all, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a speaking practice technique where you listen native speakers and you repeat what you hear almost immediately. So for example, if audio says I'm doing well today, then at the same time you repeat I'm doing well today. This is called shadowing. This is why many learners use shadowing to improve their English speaking naturally. So how to do it? Choose a favorite speaker, your favorite speaker, and listen carefully. Then listen and watch 2 times and repeat after that. Choose a video, then pause, then repeat immediately, not after 10 seconds. At the same time you have to repeat. So this is the right way to shadow any English speakers, and do it for 5 to 10 times. And this is why many learners do shadowing to improve their English speaking naturally. So how to do it? Choose a short audio and listen carefully, then pause, then repeat. Listen audio 2 times, then pause, then repeat immediately, not after 10 seconds. You have to repeat immediately, right? So this is the right way to shadow any speakers, and do it for 5 to 10 times every clips. So let's see my daily shadowing routine. And you know very well I shadow Priyanka Chopra because she is my I like her video, so that's why. You can choose simple shadowing, simple video. You know what the most dangerous thing is? A person who stops learning. A person who thinks they know enough. And the common mistakes most learners do is they choose difficult video and they only watch and listen, don't speak, right? So instead of only watching and listening, do shadowing, and don't choose difficult video, because if you are a beginner then it will be very difficult to understand difficult videos, right? So choose only those video which you can understand easily. So if you want to speak English naturally, improve your pronunciation and become more confident, then start shadowing today. You don't need expensive courses, you just need daily practice. So start practicing from today. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.